Today, we're making a creamy Cajun sausage pasta in the Instant Pot. It's quick, easy, and packed with flavor. Perfect for busy nights when you want something hearty without the hassle. Stick around till the end of the video for a full list of step-by-step instructions and ingredients. Let's get into it. Alright, first things first, we're gonna add 2 cups of water. That's right, nothing fancy, just good old-fashioned H2O. Now, 1 pound of dried pasta. I'm using my fave, you use yours. This is a judgment-free carb zone. Grab 1 andouille sausage, dice it up nicely and bite-sized, and toss it right into the pot. That's where all that smoky Cajun magic starts happening. Next up, 2 cans of Rotel Original. Don't drain them. We want all that zesty tomato chili goodness in the mix. This is the flavor base, baby. Add 2 tablespoons of butter. You know the rule, butter makes everything better. Alright, now it's time to really Cajun this up. We're going in with 2 teaspoons of Creole seasoning. This is the flavor bomb. It's what makes your kitchen smell like Mardi Gras just rolled through. Sprinkle it in, give it a little shimmy, and make sure everything is in that pot. You want every bite to sing with that smoky, spicy goodness. Seal the lid, pressure cook for 7 minutes, and relax. This little guy's about to turn our ingredients into pure Cajun gold. When the timer's done, don't jump the gun. Let that pressure naturally release for 2 minutes. Then carefully do a quick release for the rest. Watch those fingers, it's hot. While that steam's doing its thing, if you're loving this Cajun pasta action, go ahead and give the video a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, and ring the bell so you don't miss what's next. You know I've always got more deliciousness coming your way. Go ahead and add a can of evaporated milk. That's the stuff that makes it all come together. Rich, silky, and basically gives this pasta a hug from the inside out. Alright, now it's time to bring the party home. Add in 2 cups of sharp cheddar cheese. Oh yeah, watch it go in and get ready for that glorious melt. Give everything a big stir so that cheese blends in and makes that sauce silky, cheesy, and perfect. If your cheese isn't melting or the dish isn't warm enough after adding that evaporated milk, don't panic. Just turn on the sauté function for a minute or 2. That little boost of heat will get everything nice and gooey, just like we want it. And just like that, boom, you're ready to serve this creamy, cheesy Cajun pasta. Don't panic if you missed a step. I got a full list of ingredients and step-by-step instructions coming up next so you can follow along and make it yourself. Look at that cheesy goodness. Oh yeah. Alright guys, moment of truth. Let's give it a try. Oh wow. Okay, the pasta's cooked to perfection and those Cajun seasonings tie everything together. That sausage also adds a smoky, savory kick. This might actually be one of my new favorite weekday meals. I'll be adding it to my Instant Pot pastas playlist as well. What I love most about this meal is how simple it is. 1 pot, minimal cleanup, and you got a comfort meal that tastes like you spent all day making it. If you tried this recipe out, let me know how it went in the comments below, and if you added any little twists to it, I'd love to know how you made it better. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like on it, and also subscribe if you want more easy, delicious meals. Thank you so much for watching, and as always, happy cooking, and I'll see you in the next one.